Hey everyone, you're welcome back to Tech. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the complete process of signing up as an athlete on Temu in Nigeria. The process is pretty simple and straightforward, and in just a few minutes, you can get onboarded as an athlete on Temu. Now, if you already have a Temu account, all you have to do is just go to Google on your browser and search for Temu affiliate program. You want to click on the official result of the first page, which is the affiliate program. So it just goes ahead to log you in automatically into the affiliate area of the platform. That's if you already have an account on the Temu platform. If you do not have an account yet, all you can do is to sign up with your email and password, and then you can follow through the process to sign in as an affiliate or as an influencer on the Temu platform. Now here is the affiliate dashboard, and from here you can perform all your affiliate activities such as finding hot items, inviting other affiliates, and then a couple of other things that you need to know about your affiliate dashboard. So in a nutshell, here is how to sign up as an affiliate on Temu. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.